bounce and get off of my mat. So the sun is going down. The beach is pretty much cleared out the way I like it. Just me and my homegirl. Laying out on the beach tanning. Unbothered. Not worried about anybody else. I know that's right, girl. I know that's right. Just a chill day on the beach for Megan's Bay. My favorite beach, the beach where I grew up. It's just real chill. A lot of tourists, but today on this end seems to be rather, you know, moderate. Not too many people on this side of the beach. Down further by the entrance is where a lot of tourists were set up, so we're gonna just hang out down here. When I can see the ocean straight ahead, like from where I'm set up, that means it's a good day. Like it's not too crowded. So I got my essentials. I showed you that, or you may see that later on in the video. Dim this down a little bit. Yeah, it was too bright. Got all the essentials, so yeah, definitely needed some ice cold sparkling water. So we're gonna lay out and tan before the sun goes down, because I already told y'all that's the first mission when we get here. All right, see you later. Bye. This is home. All right, beach essentials, of course, my iPhone. Then I have my Black Girl sunscreen. It blends well into the melanin skin without leaving a white film. Just some plain water in a spray bottle to mist. I like to mist my hair, my face whenever it gets hot. Some cute shorts. It's a part of a pajama set, I believe, or loungewear set from Target. I'll link that down below in the description box. Of course, if you are from the Caribbean or if you visited the Caribbean, you know that the mosquitoes and sandflies do not play, especially when you're leaving the beach with salt water on your skin. They come out to bite. They do not play. So Skin So Soft by Avon is a repellent. If you did not know, works wonders. I'm going to show you my mascara or my eyelashes in a little bit, but it is amazing. Does not budge, even with salt water. Definitely comes off with soap and water, but when you're at the beach, it does the job. It's just for a neutral, fresh face, you know, bronzy skin and lashes that are natural. I have a little bit of rings. I take them off whenever I'm tanning. Then I have these sunglasses by my girl Lala. She is the owner of Clutch Your Closet. Then I have the Fenty Beauty cream gloss bomb glosses, and this is one of the newer colors that came out. It's called Bubble Binge. It's a hot pink, like a Barbie pink, which I love. Of course, the classic NARS lip gloss in Orgasm. This is a bestseller on Sephora's website and it always runs out, so I had to grab it. Then we have a red ant. I don't know if you could see, but it needs to bounce and get off of my mat. Get out of here. I'm not trying to kill it, but I just want it to go because I got bit yesterday. Anyway, this lovely cosmetic case is from Target. I love it so much. It has the matching bag to go with it, the matching tote. And then this is the Sephora Vacay All Day collection as far as skincare and beauty products. So that's it. I'll be sure to link everything down below in the description box. And we are going to get back to today's scheduled, unscheduled program. So the sun is going down. The beach is pretty much cleared out the way I like it. Just me and my homegirl laying out on the beach tanning, unbothered, not worried about anybody else. I know that's right, girl. I know that's right. Anyway, I think I am done tanning. I did go into the water and hung out with some new residents, some locals. I like watching like families come and bring their kids after school and after work. So it's a nice, cool, laid back, quiet evening or afternoon. Once the hustle and bustle and everybody packs up, I think I might hang out and just take in the scenery. Oh, let's talk about what I'm wearing. What I'm wearing. I'm wearing a Fenty Beauty sarong. This one-piece swimsuit is from Walmart. I'll link everything in the description box down below. My pendant is from Stella & Dot. And then my sunglasses. These are like the Chloe sunglasses. Look-alike to the Chloe, the new Chloe sunglasses. They are rainbow. $5.99. I think they were half of $5.99. $5.99. So yeah. Let's turn the camera off of me. Just want to give you a little bit of the scenery. On Megan's Bay, there are 4 sheds, and these are the sheds that we use for like birthday parties and so forth. We've had plenty of birthday parties, family cookouts, weddings, anniversaries, etc. Anything you could think of, a family celebration, we've had here. So there are 2 on this end. This is typically where I come and camp out, because my palm trees are usually where shed 3 and my palm trees are usually where there's less tourist traffic and so forth. And then shed 4 is all the way down towards the end of the beach. So now you see there are retirees and locals coming out, people that live here, that get off work to come and exercise or just take in the salt water. Couple tourists. I really think I'm gonna take y'all on the next day that we come to this beach. I'm gonna take you down to the beach bar. I think the beach bar closes at 5 or 6. I'll call and find out. If they're open right now, we're gonna go down and get some french fries. But their pizza, their burgers, and their french fries are just childhood dream, like the best food you could ask for on a salty Long Beach day when you're playing in the sand or like hanging out with other kids. And as an adult, I can't get enough of it. So I'm gonna go down there. It's like the crinkle cut french fries. Whew. Might go down there and get like a little alcoholic beverage. You can drink out in the open down here, and you only have to be 18 to drink. So a plus plus. I don't know if y'all can hear me with the ocean, but if not, we'll talk over the video. All right, let's go ahead and lay out for a couple more.